Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Wahl Color Pro Complete Hair Cutting Kit, 79300T. The little scissors are great, the salon-style ones are cheap, and pointless, buy real ones. They are pretty freaking loud, and need to be plugged into an outlet, but otherwise they have worked very well for me. For the price you can't go wrong. The guide combs are pretty sturdy, but make sure to always remove them afterwards, or they begin to warp and lose their grip to the clipper head. You'll pay extra for ones without a cord, but for some it may be worth it. But if you go too far, it makes the loud sound like it's rattling on the inside of the case. Much better quality than the trimmers you'll find at the store for the same price. With this kit, and a lot of practice, you have everything you need to cut hair. Make sure to put a couple drops of oil on the blades, then run it for a second to spread the oil, and cover them with a plastic protector thing before putting it away. These guides can break if dropped, but break during normal attaching, and detaching as well. The new guides are now designed slightly differently than before, but they fit the old razor fine. New Wahl replacement blades are available, and generally cost less than a whole razor. Imagine that. It comes with 11 guards, a nice case, some blade oil, a comb, scissors, instructions, etc. In function it feels sturdy, and the attachments with the clipper fit securely, and cut evenly, while not being excessively loud, or untamely. It doesn't jump all over the place, or something wacky like that. The blue rubber overmolding on the clippers gives them a soft grippy texture, making them easy to hold over the duration of a haircut. The clippers are sharp, and have plenty of power as they cut thick hair with no problem. It comes with everything you'll need to begin cutting your or others' hair at home right out of the product carton. This is simply the best available hair cutting kit out there at this low price point. All the different guards are color-coded to a key on the clipper, which makes finding the right size very easy. You don't have to go searching through a mass of guards all the same color trying to read sizes. You can't beat the price on something like this when all you've purchased for is very straightforward at-home hair cutting. They stop cutting sporadically off and on many times throughout the course of a 15-minute haircut, until they finally stop cutting altogether. The clippers are quiet, durable, easy to hold, and do an excellent job at every haircut. With all the accessories included in the box, versatility is the order of the day. It has several sizes of combs so you can make your hair as long as you need it to be. For those complaining it was getting stuck pulling their hair first time out of the box, make sure you oil the blades first with the oil bottle provided. Also, once you oil the blades, you need to turn it on, and while the clippers are running, move the lever for the blade guard up and down so the oil can work itself fully between the blades and blade guard. The clipper body itself is quite sturdy, and if you take care of them, they should last you a long time. If you have sons or men in your life that get clipper haircuts, you can save a bunch of money by learning to do it yourself. It's not that hard. There was small pieces of hair between the metal parts, and even in the part you hold the machine. It does take a while to become hot, but not hot to touch around the latch area. It has a good weight to it, and you can feel that it is of quality material from the surface to the internal motor that powers it inside. It comes with a neat plastic case with a handle that stores the hair cutter, and all 20 pieces of hair clips. It even comes with taper clips. One for the left side, and one for the right side. Its noise levels are very low, and it does not vibrate any more than would absolutely be expected of this product. They came with all the featured guards, 2 combs, a pair of nice scissors for touch-ups, and some blade oil, all packaged in a nice hard case for easy storage. They cost less than a haircut at a salon, and you'll never have to make awkward conversation with a hairstylist again. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.